Sue Sparkle here. How are we going? Hope you're all doing well. We have our second unboxing. That was noisy, wasn't it? I've got a few things on the other end of the table, so excuse that other noise. So this is our box. It is the second one of 3. It came in a bigger box. And this is how we package them. Dreamer Designs, Diamond Art, and they do come with the handle, as you saw when I had trouble getting my canvas out last time. Hopefully it doesn't happen again this time. So I'm just going to try to open this. Hopefully that has made a dent in it. Very windy day here today in Melbourne, but the sun is out, which is lovely. Alright, I'm just going to slice this down with the scissors. It's just being a little bit awkward. See if we can get it out. Okay. Now, as I said before, I am an affiliate with Dreamer Designs. So by using my code, you will get 15% off your kits, and they are a beautiful kit, beautiful canvas, and we'll go through a few things as I get it out of the box. So this is our box. It does have a carry handle, which I showed you last time, and it's very, very well packaged. So all 3 boxes came in a bigger box. I will get this one out and take away those 2 little bits. Hopefully today this one will just slide out, please. Yes, it's coming out okay, this one. Okay, so they come in a white calico bag. I'm just going to close this back up again, and I will show you the thumbnail. I can get that to shut up, and it's called Colourful Garden. So it is of birds sitting on a fence and flowers. It looks like it's a sunny blue sky day. So this one is a 60, glasses on, a 60 by 80 by Jane MADAY. So it is a licensed artist, and I will get all this out of the box so you can have a look at it now. Excuse my fingernails. I haven't been and got them done for a while. Messing and fiddling around in the garden. It's not worth having them done. So calico bag, and what I'll do so that I'm not keeping all their boxes, I will take this canvas bag, I will cut off the picture and the description on here, and I will double side tape that to the top of the bag, and then I can get rid of that box so that it's not taking up as much room. You have seen the toolkit before. I'll just get it out so we can have another quick look if I can get it out. Beautiful. So this is our toolkit. It's basically the same each time we get them. We get our 2 Dreamer Designs boats, 2 pieces of Dreamer Designs wax. We get also 2 squishies to go on our pens, our baggies if we want to bag up our kits, and note that the baggies are in another bag which keeps them all together, which is handy. I've noticed that with another company, they just put the bags in, and they tend to all go everywhere. Dreamer Designs set of tweezers with a sheath on the end, and they are very, very sharp, so please keep that sheath on them. We also have a straightener, a 4-placer and a 7-placer, 2 pens, one with a single tip, and the other one, this one here, I use for special drills and ABs, and it doesn't scratch your ABs. So that's our toolkit. Put all that to one side, and the bag. So these are our colours, and it's called Colourful Garden, so very bright colours, nice greens, oranges, pinks, red, all the colours that you would expect to see, probably in a spring garden, and of course in the birds. So these are all our colours. I will be getting those out to show you, so I have time today. This is our canvas, and it comes always wrapped in the purple ribbon. Now I am going to be rolling it to get the foam roller out. It comes with a foam roller. The edges are scalloped. It is quite a soft canvas. It's not as soft as another company's, but it is very pliable. So there's our foam roller. You might be able to find a use for those. This here is our colour. Our colour schematic. So we have 67 colours in this one. Quite a lot of colours. ABs, we have what looks like to be 5 ABs. And the ABs are always at the bottom of their kits, and they are peel-off stickers which do fit on Tic Tac boxes. This is just a pamphlet telling you about Instagram and Facebook, how to join, and instructions on how to diamond paint. So that is something that comes quite handy, especially to new diamond painters. Now I will stand up again and roll this in the opposite direction, so excuse me for a minute. Just rolling it up to get it to relax so I can show you the picture. I'm not looking at the picture, and I'm just trying to relax it a little bit, because those the foam rollers do tend to keep it nice and tight and in one direction. So here we go, and we already colourful garden, and there it is there. And as I said before, a 60 by 80, which is 23.6 inches by 31.5 inches. So I hope we can all see that. And here we go. Oh, this is gorgeous. Look at the bird colours. Oh, just stunning. Oh, what do we think of that? Isn't that gorgeous? Beautiful. So the schematic is on the bottom left and the top right of the canvas. We have our Instagram and Facebook details up in the top right hand corner, which we can't see, is right up here. Still can't see. Okay. So our Instagram and Facebook information here. We have it's legally licensed from Jane MADAY, and it is a picture of birds sitting on a fence in a very bright and colourful garden. Now, unfortunately, I cannot name these birds. I'm not sure whether they're American birds. I haven't seen anything similar to this over here. So if somebody could let me know what sort of birds are on this canvas, that'd be great. Now, their logo is Paint with Passion down here. Lifetime warranty. Anything that you find wrong with the canvas or the drills, please get back to them. Do not hesitate, and they will get onto it straight away. So this is our colourful garden, and this would look beautiful on the wall in a frame. So now, before we look for ABs, I'm just going to roll this back a little bit and show you the symbols up a bit closer. So hopefully there's not too much glare on that you can see the symbols. Might be a little bit better. Also, around the edge of their canvases, let me just take this back. Around the edge of their canvases, whether you can see this here, there is an outer edge. So the canvas actually comes out. It's not sticky and there is no diamond painting on it, but it gives that little bit of extra room when you're diamond painting. So that is really helpful, I think. A nice touch. And the edges are all serrated, I would think, with what looks like a pinking shear scissors. So we will now look here. We will now look here at the ABs. We have AB 08, AB 34, AB 37, 38 and 46. So I'll see if we can find those. So AB 08 is the white, which is a circle, and even though it looks white on the sticker, it is down in here, all through there. It'll be through here, up here. So it's in the fence. There's quite a bit of it. So I'd say there'd be a couple of bags all through the fence, all through in here, the fence. That lighter colour, that's the first AB. AB 34 is a J, which I've seen two just over here, just two together. I'm having a few problems finding more. So obviously the J's are scattered throughout the painting. And I cannot see any more J's. Help me out here, folks. I would have thought there'd have been more J's, but we'll go to the next colour. The next one's H, capital H, in a very lime green box. Lime green. Okay. Alrighty. Not seeing anything. Still not seeing anything. Excuse the silence. H. Very odd. I'm sure it will be here somewhere. I suppose we will find it when I start. Oh, no, that's N. There are a few more J's over here as well that I've just found. H's have disappeared on me. I'll have to look into that when I start the canvas. AB38 is a V upside down all through here. So it's another green, but it is a little bit darker. There's more through here. Not the darkest of the greens, just a very pale green in there. And AB46 is a blue M. Now I would have thought that would have been in the bird. It is blue. Again, I will look up here. Okay, we have the M's. So the M's are scattered throughout these flowers up the top. So I'm surprised there's no ABs in the yellow flowers down here, or the orange in those flowers, or the pinks through here, or reds through here. So if it doesn't look too much, I think I might add some into those flowers. And possibly just, see, I can see N. Did I say N was a, no N. I'd like to put something in their eyes to make them stand out a little bit more. I know you can buy quad drills, which are 4 drills in one, so it's just one drill. I'll have to look into that, and maybe I could do that in their eyes. The flowers look quite pretty. Daisies down the front here, I think they're daisies, and the blue flowers around the top there, and these bell-shaped flowers in here around the bird. So yeah, there are quite a few ABs, but I still think I would prefer some in these flowers and in the reds. Let me know what you think. See if you think that'd work. Let's have a look at the drills. And we have to find the opening. Excuse the crunching of the plastic. Try to be light as I can with it, but it doesn't always work. So we have quite a few strands of colour. Alright, so we have 4 strands of colour in this bag. I'm just going to reach over and get a drink. Oh, pardon me. And we will go through these together. If you don't like this part, just fast forward. Now we are doing square drills today. We are 822 and 823. We are 891, 893, 894, 904, 905, and we have 2 bags of 905, 906 and 915. That's quite a pretty colour. Our next strand, we have 159, 160, 161, 164 twice, 304 and 307. 310, only a few 310s, that's great. 319 and 321. And then we have, we're upside down. Makes it easier to turn them around. 543, 552 and 553 and 554, 598. We have 2 bags of 598. We have a 608 and a 666 and a 702. And this one we have 720, 740 and 741. They look very nice drills. A little bit of rubbish I see running around in there. 775, 798 and 799. And we do have a stray drill just tucked in there. 801 and 814, 819 and 822. Now, can you see that static in the bag? You see where the drills are all jumping up and down there? They're trying to get out of the bag. They're saying, let me out. What I would do with these when I'm bagging them up is put a small piece of dryer sheet paper in there, and this will stop that staticky. They are sometimes a little bit difficult to get out of the bags. They sort of stick in there, but just give them a light tap and they should all come out. So that's those colours. Now we have the second bag. I would really love to go to their factory and get taught how to put these drills back in the bags. If anybody wants to invite me, I would love to go and see how they all go back in their bags. I have quite a bit of difficulty getting them all to fit in. So here we have another 4 strands of colour. This is a pretty pink. We have 917, 919, 930, 938, 939, 955, 963 and 972, and 2 bags of, is that a 9? Yes, 2 bags of 989. Three 787, 3811, 2 bags, 3819 and 3823, 3841, 3862 and 3863, 3864, and there's our first AB, which is AB08. So that is our first square AB, and that goes on the fence line, I think. Now we have another 3 bags of AB08. So we do have quite a few ABs in that lot. We have AB34, another AB there, and AB37, AB38, and AB46. So we do have quite a few ABs. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I just wonder whether it wouldn't hurt to put some in those flowers. We have 995. We have 3022 and 3023. 3371, 3607, 3608 and 3609, 3716, 3747 3766. So there they are, all our colours, quite a few, and I'm going to have fun putting those back in their bags. Does anybody else have trouble putting them back in their bags that does videos? I certainly do. Alright, so I'm going to bunch all those up over there if I can and get them off the canvas. We'll have another look at the canvas. It is quite a tall canvas, so this might not all go in, but I'm going to pull it across slowly so that you can see right to the end there, which is here and here. And I'm going to bring this back this way slowly so you can all see it from that perspective as well. And I will lift this up. Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but the red bird, this one coming up here now, this red one, is this called a cardinal? As I said, I've never seen them in Australia, and I'd say it could be a cardinal. If anybody knows what any of these birds are, if they could put them down in the comments, because once I get it up on the wall, I know that friends and family that come who see it will want to know what sort of birds they are, and that would be a great help if you could do that. So that's our colourful garden, and I think it's quite beautiful. I think the colours are beautiful, and it will look great up on the wall. Okay, firstly, before I finish, I'd like to thank all my new subscribers and all my other wonderful subscribers that I've got. I'd love you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and just below the video there on the right hand side you will see a subscribe button with also a bell. If you tap on the subscribe and the bell, you will be notified of any other videos that are due to come up, and that's greatly appreciated. With Dreamer Designs, as I said, I am an affiliate. There is a 15% code in the description box for you to use, and I do receive a small commission being an affiliate, and this goes back into my channel to buy more canvases or pens, and that's greatly appreciated. So for now, this is it. Colourful Garden, the second one in the big box that we got, and there is one more to come, and then there will be some more other unboxings. So I hope you have enjoyed this. Again, beautiful canvas, quite soft, scalloped edges around the edging there, and if you have any problems, just give Dreamer Designs, send them an email, and they respond very, very quickly. So until next time, I'll see you all again soon. Bye for now.